Hello and welcome. I am HeBudget. I welcome you to my channel today. It is time to spin the wheel. It's time to add to our 100 envelope challenge. I'll check my schedule today and it says Wednesday. Wednesday is the day that I go ahead and stuff this challenge. So we've got some cash here. Today we are going to stuff into the 100 envelope challenge. 1, 2, 53, 20, 40, 60, 84, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. $430 for this. I hope everyone is well today. It is Wednesday. I do plan to put this video out tomorrow, which will be Thursday. So it'll be one more day closer to Friday when this comes out. Hope everyone is having a wonderful Thursday and that their Wednesday, which is today, was great as well. Really tired for some reason today. I guess I didn't sleep very well, and then just I had a full day, so it's all kind of stacking up. But I'm here. I am excited to get this stuffed. The way this cash is in here makes it look like I'm really close, but I believe I'm like halfway through. But I'm getting there. On the wheel is what's left. I did go in, make sure all the numbers that have already been selected are colored in. Is off the wheel. I didn't count these to see, but I feel like we're about halfway there. I'm excited about it. Excited about getting to the end so we can count the challenge just to see exactly how much I was able to save. All right, let's get to it. Spinning. And let's see, our first number tonight, 53 is the first one. So we're starting off big. 53 is 55 to start. We will color in 55. And I've seen more and more people are starting their 100 envelope challenge. So congratulations for getting started. And then there's some that are still really reluctant. I say everything in your time. Do what works for you. That was a regular envelope. If it's your first time seeing me stuff this challenge, I do have some. I'm calling it 100 envelope 2.0. So I am doing. I've got these symbols or these music notes that are on different envelopes, and if I select one of those envelopes, then I'll read exactly what it means. But for now, we've got a regular envelope. I'm adding 55 into here. I'm also not using any ones, so that 53 goes up to 55, and it is stuffed. Remove and spin. I think I'm gonna need to find some fives. All right, we're not gonna be long tonight. We gonna spin this cash up right quick. So 73, just like 53, goes up to 5, so that's 75, and we're gonna color in 73. And I go back and forth with how I feel about getting the big numbers knocked out. Like they got to come off eventually, so why not now? It just makes a shorter video, shorter process. But that's all right. I'm getting that much closer to knocking this on out. Get in here. And 53 is stuffed. And remove and spin. What we got? What we got? Another big one. 54, which is 55. 20, 40, 55. Cash is gone. Not gone. It's gone. We may need to get some. I'll change it if I have to. 20, 40, 55. Coloring in 54. And picking an envelope. And this is a regular one. I'm not sure how many special envelopes. I'm guessing there's one stuck on that one. How many special envelopes are still in there? That is one, actually. I can see it on this side. We'll pull that one next. We'll see what it is. And that was 54 stuffed. Remove and spin. and 32, which is 35. I'm gonna go real quick right here to my change envelope. And looks like I got 100 in here, so I need to make some more change. Let's see what we have here. I think we'll change one of these hundreds if we can. 20, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90. I'm short on change in there too. Let's see. What do you do when you run out of change? Do you ever run out of change? Primary has some cash in here. Let's see what we got in primary. Just need to change one of these tins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hope you don't mind this little. This goes here. Little not so intermission since you're still here. Thanks for sticking around. Just getting some change. So we changed that 10. This should now be 100, 20, 30, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. And we're going to take one of these hundreds. So that puts me back with my change back to 220 and back in need of getting more change. And I'll do that soon. Usually when I get ready to stuff, I'll either make sure I have change, or when I get ready to take cash to the bank, I'll change this out. Either way, we are at 32 is the number that we are stuffing. So we need 20, 35 to start. And as I'm not close that. As I said, I will grab that one that's poking out, which is one of our special envelopes. Let's see, we're coloring in 32. 32 is done, and let's see what this envelope is. Let's see. Get back in there. All right, this envelope, this says to pick a second number. So as you know, when we get to pick a second number, we've been back and forth with how we process that. Let's pick the number, and then we'll see what we do with it. Before we make any promises, let's see what we're working with. And the number is 16, which is 20. So what I decided to do is I'm going to add 20 to this. We already took, it was 32. 32, yep. So that 16 turns into 20. So now this is 20. Or this is 20, 40, 50, 55 now. So that 32 turned into 55, which is a good save. And then also with that same, we're going to take that 16 off of here. Color that one in as the second number picked today. And I'm going to take 5, 10, 15, 20 for it. So just a way to save some extra cash. We added a second number into the first one, and then we still picked another envelope and filled it. Bam. And remove and pick. We got some cash left. We got 100 for a big number if one comes up. If not, we'll split it. And we're at 39, which is 40. 30, 5, 10, 20, 30, 35, 40. 39 comes off of here. I've seen some mixed weather reports. How's the weather where you are? Today it was really nice. It was nice and sunny today, probably in the higher 60s, which is nice for us. What's the weather at where you are today, which is Thursday for you? We're at 40, and grabbing the envelope, we did color in 39, and this is a regular envelope. I had $200 bills. I just knew I was going to use those First thing, we've got 98 and 99 still left on here. Anyway, we're stuffed with that for now. Remove. What I want to do right now, because I feel like I wanted to mix those numbers up. If I can remember how to get back to it. That's not it. Results. Never seen that. Sorry to be experimenting. Oh, no, I lost it. Come back. That's all right. We'll leave that alone. Let's see. We've got a little bit more cash. Let's save. I'm really enjoying this challenge, and I'm enjoying the feedback I'm getting on this. 94. Um, I think we just talked about that. 94 is here. Enjoying the feedback. I wanted to stop talking. I remember that when I talked during the spinning of the wheel, that it kind of muffles my voice. But enjoying the feedback, enjoying just the excitement of getting this box completed. We are at 94. I'm going to fill 94 in. I'm going to grab 100, and because I'm short on change, I'm going to put 100 into that 94, and I'm going to grab an envelope, and it's a regular one. And because I was so eager to get rid of the hundreds, there it is. 100 is gone into the box. We're getting full in here. All right, we got some cash left. Let's remove it and let's spin. Let's see what happens, where we end up tonight. It is still spinning. All right, 48. Let's see if we can get to 50 here. 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. We need to get to 50. You know what? I'm going to pause you. I'll be right back. All right, I'm back. So I remember my aunt stopped by and gave me a late Father's Day gift. And because she already told me what was in here, I know it'll help us get this wrapped up for today. Got a lot of love. My aunt just popped up at my job today and was asking my staff questions, and they didn't know who she was. Thanks, Auntie. And this is my other aunt, not my Purple Heart aunt. I did just talk to her. She just asked me to make her some bean dip, so I might have to go down and see what I have. So we are trying to get this to 50, and we are now at 20, 30, 40, 45, 50. That puts us up. 20, 30, 40, 20, 30, 40, 50. Yeah, $50. We didn't grab an envelope. Let's do that. And it's a regular. Let's see, do we take 48 off of here? Nope, 48 is off. And we got some extra cash now. $15 over there. And because I've already went to my stash, I am going to do something different. Let's see. We've got $15. We can do 14. Color name 14. And then I have to remember to take that off. This 15 we'll put into number 4. Use for number 14. And that'll put all our change up. And we did. Sorry. What is this? It says to add 5. We got to add 5 because the envelope says so. So we will go into our primary spending and see what we have left for this month. Fun Money has some stash in here. This is fun, right? Does this count as fun? Is this fun? This is fun for me. I'm gonna count it for fun. And we're adding an extra 5 into this one. That puts 14. The number was 14 we got. Oh, no, we have $15. We colored in. I'm like, why is that 48? We colored in the number 14. And for that 14 is getting 20. So nice extra opportunity to save there. One of our little symbols popped in on us. And that one, match it up, add 5. All right, that is a wrap. We have 100 envelopes stuffed. This envelope, or this box, is getting pretty full. It's going to be tight. You can see, even squeezed over. It's not a lot of room left in there. But we're going to get this cash stuff some kind of way. One way or another, we're going to fill every envelope in here. Before we go, one guess. You want to guess? Excuse this camera. What we have left. And before, if I remember, I'll count them. No, do we want to count them? No, we're going to scratch that. We don't want to count them. I was going to say to guess how many, which is actually a pretty decent amount left in here. But we're not going to count them. As you see, that's without the extra envelopes in there. Fills up pretty nice. Look at that. Eventually, that's all it'll be. But stuff full. I love it. Throw these back in here and call it a wrap. Thank everybody for stopping by. I've been enjoying some new channels. I need to get their names. There's been a bunch. I don't know how regularly you all get new channels pop up, but I sat in this morning and I was catching up on some of my videos and then ended up watching like 4 or 5 new people. So it's pretty cool. Enjoy watching, and a lot of them are beginning their journey. So starting off just from scratch, and it's pretty awesome to see. I didn't start my journey on YouTube. I actually started a year and a half before coming to YouTube. And then I just, as you know, started YouTube. I made my official like short video in February and probably made my first actual stuffing video late March, early May, February, March, April, in April actually. But a couple months in, and here I am. So as always, I appreciate you all. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for your time. 100 envelope challenge is getting there. We're getting there. That's it. It's a wrap. Peace. Take care.